Single shot or once through cutting fluids are used by manual or mist application. Unlike recirculated coolants, the cutting action consumes the fluid in use. Therefore, the requirements and function of these single shot fluids must be to lubricate the tooling, reduce friction, and the generation of heat. To cool the part and tool, preventing heat damage and controlling dimensional accuracy. And finally, to leave the part and tooling clean while emitting no toxic vapors. Let's demonstrate the cutting aspects of conventional oil-based fluids and the high-performance technology of Chesterton 388 synthetic tapping fluid. Let's demonstrate the effects of heat on a cutting fluid. For this demonstration, we'll use a steel panel and a small propane torch. First, we'll apply a small amount of a petroleum-based cutting fluid onto the steel panel. And then using the torch, heat the metal surface. You'll notice that the petroleum oil-based fluid is actually moving away from the source of heat. If this was a cutting tool, there would be no lubrication provided to the cutting edge. Also notice the petroleum smoke. Now, let's try the Chesterton 388 synthetic tapping fluid. Small amount of material, and again heating with the torch. You notice a small amount of water vapor coming off the material, and the material does not run away from the source of heat. In fact, the additives in 388 actually plate themselves on the metal in response to heat generation. Cutting fluids based on petroleum oil, mineral oil, vegetable oil, and even newer synthetic oils are designed to lubricate and not cool. Cutting, drilling, and milling of steel, chrome nickel alloys, and as you will see here, stainless steel, generates a tremendous amount of heat. The result of excessive heat is a heavy, oily smoke which creates a hazardous work environment. You can inhale the smoke, and it certainly clouds the workpiece. Secondly, the excessive heat distorts the tooling, which leads to short tool life. Next, let's compare Chesterton 388 synthetic tapping fluid to the cutting ability of petroleum oil. Chesterton 388 synthetic tapping fluid uses a unique water-based synthetic fluid which pulls heat away from the cutting surfaces while providing excellent lubricity. Notice the vapor coming off the work surface. This is water vapor, not hazardous petroleum smoke. Also, notice that the chips show no signs of heat distortion or bluing due to excessive heat buildup. Finally, as proof to its cooling ability, try this with an oil-based cutting fluid.